Moana is the star of her own Disney movie and now even has a second one coming out. I'm happy to help her fans learn how to draw her in a way that looks just like she does on the screen. Come along with me and I'll show you how it's done. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies I used to make this drawing: a pencil, black marker, paper, and a variety of pencil crayons, including those with different skin colors. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. As you can see, I've already drawn center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you could also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make a creased line to follow. Step number 1. Let's begin by making marks for an oval for her head. It's going to be about this tall and this wide. When those marks are in place, then slowly connect them with a smooth curve to make a nice oval. Step number 2. Then she needs 2 eyes. We can start with the almond shape first and then add the lines inside. Then some eyebrows go above, and a simple line for the nose, and finally her lips. I actually forgot to add the ears here, but it is a good time to do it if you remember. Step number 3. Let's start the body with the neck and the top of her arm on the left, and add the side of her torso. Then the top of an arm on the right, and a sideline there too. Step number 4. Okay, Moana's skirt is started with a waistline like this, and then 2 angled sides, and a curved hem at the bottom. Step number 5. Now it's easy to go back and finish those arms. Let's start with the one on the left. It has a kind of fist at the bottom like this. And the one on the right bends up and has a thumb and a few more fingers showing. Step number 6. Moana has a simple necklace and then a kind of wrapped top. If we draw it a little bit bigger than her body, and then erase the lines inside, it will give it a little bit more of a dimensional look. There's also a sash that goes over her skirt. Start with a round knot on the left, and then add the fabric shape that goes to the right, including a few little fold lines. Step number 7. Now let's draw her legs. Notice they do curve out for the calf, and then back in for the ankle, and she is barefoot. The leg on the right has a similar shape, but that foot is turned to the right, like this. Now we can draw Moana's hair. Start with the line that goes across her forehead, then draw the large wavy shape that goes down past her arms and to her waist. And when you're done with one side, then do the same on the other. Also, her skirt does have an extra layer to it, so I'm going to add a line with a little notch shape like this. Step number 8. Now we can finish with the paddle that Moana is holding in her hand. Just draw that long handle as well as you can. When that is done, then add the wider shape that goes on top above it. It's okay if it goes off the page. These paddles are usually pretty tall. When that drawing is done, then be sure to erase the line inside the handle so it looks like it's in front of the hand. Step number 9. All right, this drawing is all done, so it's time to trace everything with a black marker. When the tracing is done, it's really smart to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. And now it's coloring time. It does help to have a box of skin crayons or pencils, so you can try to match Moana's pretty skin tone as well as you can. That wavy hair gets colored black. Moana's top and sash are a bright orange, and her skirt is kind of a tan brown. Finally, I'm going to fill in that paddle a dark brown so it looks like wood. I hope you enjoyed drawing Moana with me and that you feel like you know a little bit more about drawing bodies than you did before. At Art Projects for Kids, you can find even more cartoon drawing lessons, including how to draw Snow White and Princess Jasmine. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.